Okay, y'all, so this is part 2 of the video. This is the crank sensor cleaning, I guess I can title it that. I noticed it had some hesitation in it, and this is, I've been driving around just to make sure it's not going to do it again, and so far, it's not. So let's get on it and see what happens. Doesn't stutter. I said hesitation. It doesn't stutter. It was like you were cutting the switch off and on real fast, like it was cutting the fire and turning the switch back on, like you were just bumping it back and forth. I don't know if you can hear the tone in the muffler, the deepness of it. I've got a turbo on it, and you could really hear it whenever I take off slow. So here's a stop right up here. We'll just wait just a second. This is the 95 GS. I like to say that. GS. So we'll find out right here. We'll take off slow. Car's got 200 and right at 70,000. Boy, it shifts like a dream. So far, so good. So hopefully, if your car has a stuttering problem and if your fuel pressure is okay and fine and staying within 30 and 40 psi, you could try the crank sensor cleaning. Now just remember, I said CRC contact spray, and I didn't have none, so I had to use carbon choke cleaner. But that worked just as good because I had so much oil and sludge from over the years of just trickling down to the bottom, and it got all over the plug. So just remember to pack that little connector with dielectric grease, and you should be good for a while. It's not stuttering no more. This is a Series 1 Generation 2 3800. Awesome pep. Awesome pep. 267,000. Getting ready to be 268. Close to 270. And it still just sparks them. Let's see if I can't get them right up here. Let's see if I can get it to bark any. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're at the stop sign. We'll just take a left here. Nobody's around. See if we can get this little car to bark some wheels. No, didn't get nothing then. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you got any questions or comments, just leave them in the section below, and I'll answer them best I can. Hope y'all have a good evening.